Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ingrid from Ingridjoyaromas. Thanks for being here. Today I want to show you how I made this room spray, and if you don't want to use the room spray that with all these preservative, you can go ahead and make a simple one with witch hazel and using all these fragrance oil or essential oils, depends on what you want to use. I'm going to be throwing up some information here for you so you can go ahead and watch how I do it, and then I will throw it up for you so you can follow along. So I'm using 2 tablespoons here, and I'm making a 4 ounce in a 4 ounce bottle. Sorry, not tablespoon, teaspoon. So I mean, you can go ahead and make your room spray any way you want it. You can make it strong, you can make it weaker, depends on how you want it. So I am making one for myself, and always whenever I'm making something, I always like to use gloves. So here, look, it's so quick and easily, and you also need the distiller water. Also, if you don't have distiller water, you can set some water overnight and let it sit overnight, and then you can use it the following morning. So I have some labels here print out, so I'm just going to show you how I would just put a label on. And there you go, quick and easy. And also, thanks for watching everyone.